Hi all ladies, get ready to experience the future of hair toppers with our revolutionary Mirage base topper from Wig Bangladesh. Our Mirage base uses advanced materials and craftsmanship, creating a breathable, ultra-light base that disappears into your skin. The result? A hair topper that defines detection and feels like your own scalp. Here you can see that the partition in the middle is not perfect, but no worries, we are here for making it perfect with our toppers. Whether you have a center or side partition, our 6x5 topper offers versatile styling options and the hair length given here 14 inches. Also the density increases. Each dimension provides just the right coverage, boosting your confidence and creating a natural look. However, any kind of sizes we are able to provide you. Elevate your style and confidence with Wig Bangladesh Mirage Base Hair Topper. Get the natural middle part beauty you have always wanted. Visit www.wigbd.com and message us on WhatsApp for quick response. Your path to amazing hair begins now. Thank you. Bye-bye.